Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be testing out MAC Cosmetics holiday collection. They have such a beautiful assortment of holiday gifts this year. I picked out everything that piqued my interest, and in today's video we are going to be trying out everything. So if you are excited, then just keep on watching. Okay, I have my bag right over here filled with all of the best holiday gifts from MAC Cosmetics this year, and today's video is actually very kindly sponsored by MAC Cosmetics. You can find the links to every single product I'm about to show you down below in the description box of this video. So if there's anything that piques your interest, make sure to shop through the links down there. And let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So of course I had to pick up an eyeshadow palette, and because MAC is most known for their lipsticks, they are the #1 lipstick brand in the world, I went ahead and picked out a palette that was a little bit more everyday and wearable because I want my lips in today's video to be the center of attention. These palettes, by the way, really affordable, and they come in 3 different colors. There is a warm palette, there is a purple palette, and then there is the cool palette, which is the one that I got. And here are the shades right over here. I picked out this one because I wanted my eyes to be more on the neutral side. Again, I want my lips to be the center of attention, and this would be a really nice work appropriate everyday palette for anybody on your shopping list this year. I just noticed that all of their holiday packaging actually has a card inside, so you can put to and from in here, which is really cool. One of the products I picked out was the Tricks of the Trade kit, and I absolutely love this one because I find it to be very useful. Everything inside the boxes comes wrapped in tissue, and their beautiful holiday boxes are very festive looking, but also very easy to gift wrap if you don't want them to know immediately that they're getting a MAC Cosmetics holiday present. I really like this gift in particular because it comes with primers and setting sprays. It has a Prep and Prime lip primer, which today is the first time I'm going to be trying this one out. I've never had it before. Ooh, it feels just like butter. Really nice. It has a Fix It setting spray, which I have used before. In fact, I have a full-size one in my collection that I'm currently working through, and also a Matte Fine 12-hour Shine Control Primer. This, I believe, is a full size, and this is a full size, and so you get a small size of the setting spray. And the next thing that I picked up was this right over here. I just could not resist it. You'll see why as soon as I open it, okay? I absolutely do not need any more highlighters in my collection, but I just couldn't resist it. I couldn't resist this highlighter palette right over here. Just look at those beautiful shades. They also have these incredibly glittery, beautiful holiday eyeshadows, and I definitely had to pick one up for myself. This is the one I got right here, and the color is Right Before Your Eyes. Take a look right here. It is a beautiful duochrome, highly metallic glittery shade. I cannot wait to show you it on the eyes, but before I get there, let me definitely show you a swatch of it. This is like a multi-chrome shimmer shade. It's got green, it's got blue, it's got purple, and it's got silver. Let's see if the camera wants to do it justice. See, you can see purple, it's silver, it's gold, green. I don't know, it's got such a really nice amount of glow to it. And I can't wait to combine this one with the nice neutral shades in that palette that I got. The next product I got was a MAC foundation. This is the MAC Studio Water Weight SPF 30 foundation. I've never owned this foundation before, but I have heard great things, and MAC pretty much has a foundation for every preference. If you want full coverage, they have a foundation. If you want light coverage, they have a foundation. If you want matte, they have a foundation. If you want glowy, they have a foundation. My favorite foundation types is a medium coverage foundation with a glowy finish, and that is exactly what the Water Weight foundation is. This right here is what the bottle looks like, and my MAC foundation shade is NC25. And then of course I had to leave the best for last. I got this right over here. This is the Ultimate Trick Mini Lipstick Vault. This has 12 mini MAC lipsticks. MAC lipsticks are super popular. The first high-end lipstick I ever had was MAC Cosmetics in the color Snob. Years ago, that super pale pinky cool tone shade was all of the rave, and I have loved MAC lipsticks ever since. This vault is super cool. Just check out how it opens, and I have 12 lipsticks to try out for you guys because I do intend to try every single one of these to show you all of the shades on my skin tone. I cannot get over this beautiful packaging. This would absolutely be the best gift for yourself or for that lip lover in your life that you want to spoil this holiday season. This is definitely something from MAC Cosmetics I had never tried before, and I am loving it. It feels like a super soft but also very, very thin balm, which is really nice because sometimes I feel like balms are a little bit too thick for underneath lipstick, and this one just kind of feels perfect. I'm going to go ahead and also try out this primer from them. I'm just smoothing it all over my face. This primer is really nice. It definitely makes my pores feel tighter. And let me give my Water Weight foundation a little shake and go for it. I'm blending it out all over my face, and as you can see, NC25 is my perfect skin color from MAC, which is a question I get asked super often on my channel whenever you guys want to know if we are the same skin tone to shop my product recommendations. You guys always ask me specifically for my MAC foundation shade, and it is NC25. I went ahead and lowered the light to show you the foundation up close, and this foundation is exactly what I asked for. Beautiful medium coverage with a natural to glowy finish, which is precisely my preference. Very lightweight. It does not feel like I'm wearing much on my skin. And MAC Cosmetics has always had a really wide range of shades in their collection. They were one of the first brands, if not the first brand, to promote inclusivity in makeup, which is really amazing. And so they've always had a huge range of shades in all of the makeup that they create. Moving on to the next product, I'm dying to try this MAC Cosmetics highlighter palette right here. And before I even choose which shade I want to wear today, let me show you swatches of everything that comes in the palette. Here is the lighter, pinkier highlighter. Here's the middle one, which is like a frosty gold one, very light gold. And then the darker one, which is like a bronzy gold shade right there. I think today I want to go for the middle one right here. And I'm going to blend it up here on the top of my cheekbone. Check it out right there. It looks really nice and glowy, but it's not too in your face, which I like because it's more natural looking. And that also means that it's a highlighter that will definitely suit older skin. I think I want to do a little bit of the pink one on top. Why not? Right there. I feel like layering those two together, we made the highlighter multi-dimensional because now it's gold and it's pink at the same time. For blush, I'm going to use one of the oldest blushes in my collection, and that is MAC in the shade Melba. I have loved this blush for so many years. It's one of these perfect blushes that it's not too cool, not too warm, nice and natural looking, very subtle, not too bright, not too in your face. My first ever MAC Cosmetics blush, and to this day one of my favorites. By the way, I realized when I was browsing their website that they don't only have their holiday sets, but they also have customizable sets that you can make yourself. So there is a set that has a blush and a brush, and you can build your own set by choosing which color blush you want to add to it, which is really nice. Okay, here is my complexion done. Let's move on to eyeshadow. I just noticed that the eyeshadow palette does this. Woo! So I'm going to start with the Taupe shade right here. This looks like a perfect transition color. And I'm going to build it right here on the crease of my eye. Same thing over here, just blending that color back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And just like I thought, this is a beautiful, beautiful transition color. With a smaller pointed brush, I'm getting this darker shade right here. And I'm going to put it on the outer... Ooh, that's pigmented. That's a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. And I'm just putting it right here on the outer V of the eye. And back with the bigger, fluffier blending brush, I'm just going to blend it into our transition shade. Same thing over here. I was a little bit more careful with the color this time. And with the bigger brush, just blending it in. I'm going to add a little bit more of that darker shade right underneath my lower lash line here. Connect it with the top. And with a small blending brush, I'm going to smoke out the under eye area here. I'm not done with this palette yet, but I am going to switch to this beautiful shade right here because this is going to certainly be the center of attention on my eyelid. So I'm going to pick up that shade with a flat brush and I'm going to distribute it all over my eyelid. Just tapping the color all over the eyelid area here. Okay, of course we did the same thing over here. Okay, and as you can clearly see, that shimmer is absolutely spectacular. I'm going back to my little palette in this color right here because this is going to be our inner corner shade. Blending it in a little bit. So patting it right there and blending it in. And I'm also going to add a little bit right underneath my brow. Let me put on some mascara and I'll be right back because I have a lot of lipsticks to try. Back with mascara on, and I'm going to use my little setting spray to lock all of this in. And then we have 12 lipsticks to try. I still can't get over that amazing shimmer shade. Okay, so this is how the lipsticks are organized, and I'm going to use them in the order that they come packed. So starting from the lighter section to the darker section. First, we're going to try the color Mocha. This is definitely such an amazing way to try a lot of different MAC lipstick colors. Okay, so here's the color Mocha. I kind of want to leave it on. I really like this lipstick shade. Next, the color Myrrh. Another beautiful shade. This is like a mauvey pink type of color. I love it. This is the reason I wanted to keep the eyes not too colorful, because now I can try all of these lipsticks and all of them are going to go really well with my eye look. Then we have the color Bricola. I absolutely love the smell of MAC lipsticks. Okay, so here's that shade, and notice how I haven't had to even line any of these lipsticks. They're very, very pigmented and super easy to put on. Next we have the color Taupe. This is a beautiful mid-tone brown. Let's put it on. Oh wow, this color is beautiful. I love it. Next color is Dubonnet, and this looks like a really beautiful dark red. The lipsticks from this kit definitely all have different textures. I've tried some more matte ones and some more satin ones. All of them extremely easy to apply. All of them feel creamy. This color is also beautiful. Lipstick number 6 is the lipstick in the color Chili, and we are halfway there. Okay, so here is the color Chili. This one feels extremely hydrating on the lips. Very, very creamy. Lipstick number 7, Dozen Carnations, and this looks more like an orangey type of red, which super warm lipsticks scare me, but let's go for it. Okay, this one was more of a sheer formula, very balmy feeling. I had to go back and forth a few times to build it up, and I'm definitely pretty grateful that it was more of that sheer formula because I was able to very comfortably build it up to my liking, and it doesn't scare me as much as it did before I put it on. Okay, so then we have Lady Danger. Okay, so this is Lady Danger, and this is a bright orange lipstick. I don't think I've ever worn a color like this one. Here's the next color. This one is called All Fired Up. Ooh, I think I'm going to like this one. Okay, here's the color All Fired Up. A really beautiful fuchsia-y color. Maybe now that I have this kit in my collection, I will step out of my comfort zone even more. I have totally been trying to go for darker, bolder lipsticks lately, and now I have a lot of colors to choose from. Okay, 3 lipsticks to go. Next we have the color Ruby Woo, which is definitely MAC's most popular red lipstick ever, and I actually have never had it, so I'm super excited to put this one on. Okay, so here's the color Ruby Woo. This truly is a really perfect red. It's neutral, not blue, not orangey, just right in the middle, nice and intense but not too bright. No wonder this is one of the most popular reds ever. Then we have the color Diva. Honestly, 11 lipsticks later, I'm surprised my lips still look like lips because my lip line disappeared. Don't know where she is anymore. Anyways, this is the color Diva. Really nice and dark and grungy and beautiful. And last but certainly not least, we have the color Rebel. And I was wondering if I was going to encounter any lipsticks that I already had in my collection from MAC. I don't have a huge, or I should say I didn't have a huge MAC lipstick collection. I have a few staple MAC lipsticks that I love, Rebel being one of them. I also have Velvet Teddy, Kinda Sexy, and Snob, which was my first ever high-end lipstick. And it's expired and I should probably get rid of it, but it's got sentimental value. I don't use it anymore, but it's like, you know, my first ever high-end lipstick I ever had, so it's still here in my collection. Anyways, let's go ahead and put on Rebel. Okay, so last but certainly not least, here is the color Rebel on. Okay, so 12 lipsticks later, I have tried every single lipstick that comes in this Vault collection. And I have to admit, I really, for the most part, liked every single one of them. MAC's lipstick formula is incredible, no doubt about it. And I feel like I'm pretty comfortable wearing every single one of these lip shades, maybe with the exception of one, the very orangey one, but all in all, I really loved every single one of these shades. And I think that this is definitely a great addition to my collection. I love that they put every single type of shade in here. There's nudes, there's pinks, there's reds, there's berries, there is oranges. Any color lipstick you can think of, you can kind of find in here. This is like a little lipstick wardrobe. So anyways, it's definitely been a huge blast to try all of these MAC Cosmetics products. These were definitely the ones that piqued my interest the most out of everything they had out for their holiday collection. And out of everything I tried today, the items that I loved the most were the single eyeshadow. Once again, this one is in the color Right Before Your Eyes, but also check out the rest of the shades because this formula is incredible. It's like a multi-chrome type of glitter and it looks so good. By the way, I put this on without any primer or glitter glue or anything and it just stuck to my eyelids, no trouble. It is a great formula and I love the way it shines. And then of course my other favorite has got to be the lipstick Vault. MAC lipsticks are #1 for a reason. Every single one of these lipsticks has an incredible formula. The shades are everything, and like I said, it's like a lipstick wardrobe. You have every single shade of lipstick you would need in there. So either for you or for that lipstick lover in your life that you want to spoil this holiday season, I think this is an amazing, amazing gift. I truly hope that you guys like this video. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite product that I tried today. If you're interested in purchasing anything I tried in this video, please make sure to check out the links down below, which will direct you to the MAC Cosmetics website. And make sure you place your order before December the 17th for on-time holiday delivery. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to please give it a thumbs up before you leave if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Also, don't leave without subscribing. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for being here and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye!